Right. Oh, fucking static. I'm gonna like burst into flames one day, bruh. Like Alright guys, we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna make sure that the sound is good. So let me just test things out real quick here. Using my Bluetooth headset, my Bluetooth. My Bluetooth headset. All right, first of all, let's test it over here. All right, it's a little too loud, so let's lower this a little bit, right? Okay, this is cool. I can use this. And let's do this. Connectamente, thank you. Damn, shit is loud, bro. Can you even hear me? Like, what's going on here? Oh shit, it took over Spotify. I'm like, why? Fucking dumb, bro. What is this shit? What is the shit? No thanks. I do not want to update it. Fucking ads, bro. You fucking kidding me? All right, how is the sound? Let's test the sound. Sound. Yeah, I sound amazing. Look at me. Oh my goodness. Ah, the music is fine. My sound, my voice is fine. I think we're good, yeah. Clap. Wow, thanks for the 50, y'all. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it. And welcome. Yeah, I think we're good. This is weird. Let me launch my Vivaldi. So I can see all three of my browser like streams at once. The sun is hitting like right in the eye, bro. What is going on? Also, Trova, we made it to silver today, you know? That's amazing. What the fuck is going on with the voice? Is it my headset bitching? Oh. I think it's the fucking computer, yeah? Yeah, sound is like cutting in and out for some reason. Are we dropping frames? No, 0. Everything is going well. Our internet connection as well. I think like maybe the headset is tripping. Regardless, we're good to continue. Okay. So today we are gonna work on Secrets Manager. And the Secrets Manager that we will be working on is going to be well, basically, like what I'll do here is we're gonna acquire a secret that the user provides, and then we will store it for the user in our Secrets Manager service on AWS. Iman, hello, how's it going, my dude? And then after that happens, we will be also like implementing deletion and update, right? So we're gonna just implement that. I'm gonna have to open this here, guys. So second, cool. All right, I think this should be fine. So I'm thinking right now, get client. So basically, we're gonna get the client. Dude, isn't this working? Shit, is my keyboard dying now? My keyboard might be dying, yo. I don't know what the hell's going on here. No. You got so much life in you, you fucking piece of shit. I'm getting upset at the keyboard, like it's doing it like just to piss me off or something. Bruh. Mayo, thanks for the stay safe, guys. Welcome. All right. So, why is this bitching? It might be static. Shut the fuck up. All right. So now we have the Secrets Manager client, basically, and then we're gonna say create, right? So maybe I need another table here, yo. Maybe I need another table here. You know what I mean? I'm kind of trying to think like if this would be a better approach than simply storing this in its own. Yeah. Explode, welcome. Yeah, I'm not because when like a user will have multiple credentials, if I have it set up into its own database table, I feel like it will give me more control over maintaining, manipulating, and utilizing it. But would that be an overkill? God damn it. Yeah, I think I will make it into its own secrets manager. Yeah, this is gonna be a model in the user. So let's go with it like this way. So I'm gonna go create another model here, and then let's create a new Python file. This is gonna be secrets. Should I call it secrets? Secrets sounds weird. Let's call it credential. No, credentials also sounds weird. Shit, what the heck am I supposed to name this thing? I just don't want to like create ambiguity here because I have an app called Credentials, and that's the credential set I create to provide access to my platform. Alexandra, welcome. Yeah, this is kind of feeling weird, yo. What the fuckity fuck? The sun is like right in the eye, bro. I gotta figure something out because, like, spring around the corner, it's gonna get sunnier by the day. Hmm. Yeah, I feel like this is. Fucking hell. Okay. So init, and then what we're gonna have here is we can have secret ID. And what does it really return? Dude, like my keyboard is not responding. What the fuck is going on here? Like the control key is not working. What the fuck is going on here? Dude, this is not good. I game on this keyboard. Maybe like I fucking broke it. Like seriously, like I can't. It won't work. Yo, come on. Let's go over here. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Everything is like struggling. Are we dropping frames? No dropped frames. Don't have any issues. So what the fuck is going on here? All right. So we have client. You can create the client simply as this, which is cool. And then we do create secret. Okay. Useless, walk on. So if we are creating, we're gonna need client request token, nope, description, KMS key ID, nope, secret binary, nope, secret string, nope, tags, add replica regions, force override replica secret. So what does this really do? Force override replica. So if it exists, you can just override it. Okay. All right. Let's start with this. So basically, these are the things that we need. So let's go over here. And then we're just gonna simply tell this guy like quarks. Right. So we kind of like parse the incoming things right here. So in the meantime, what I'll do say to create the things that we need here is this. Create a new entry for entry for a secret manager. AWS Secrets Manager. Sample payload. Okay. Yeah, that kind of looks fucked up. I'm just gonna do here ref, and then the reference is going to be this URL. Cool. Still over the fucking line. God damn it. Whatever. And then this one here is, oh shit, there's like an additional thing here. There you go. This is, I should really assign a user to this. It's gonna be like indirect assignment, and this is gonna be like really fucking weird. Cloud BSD, welcome and thank you for the follow. Yeah, this is gonna be really weird if I don't do this to a fucking model, dude. It's just gonna like get really complicated for no reason. I don't have any orphan data here either. I'm so conflicted right now. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna create a fucking app called Secrets. Sorry, a model called Secrets, and then just store it there. I can name it later if I'm not too happy about the name. Secret. There you go. Edit. Okay. User third party service credentials key secret etc here. Okay, so we're gonna do class secret, right? Generic base model, I think it's like that. From core.models import generic base class. Fuck, I need it so fucking dumb. Okay. What is this complaining about? Okay, yeah, that's fine. So now down here I can say, right, user equals, but before we do that, let's import from django.conf import settings. It's gonna be also from django.db import models, and then here we're gonna do models dot brain key settings dot out user model, and then this is null equals false, blank equals false, on delete, and then it's gonna be models dot cascade. So this is pretty good, right? Right. Now this one also will have what you gonna call this thing? What did we name that thing? The storage configuration. I think the ID that the thing returns, the response that returns. Fucking hate, like this keyboard is like really tripping on me right now. Yeah, it returns an ARN. So that's the identifier. That's the identifier. So we're gonna have also a name, models dot car field, right? Car field, and then we're gonna do max length equals, I don't know what the max length is on this one here in the name. Name required. This new secret can contain ASCII letters, numbers, and the following characters. Do not end your secret name with a hyphen followed by 6 characters. If you do so, you risk confusion as with the results when searching for a secret by partial ARN. Secret Manager automatically adds a hyphen and 6 random characters after the secret name at the end of the ARN. Oh, so it already like does that for you. So you don't want to create ambiguity there. Okay. Doesn't really mention like what the length of this thing can be, so not sure. I'll just make it like 100, and I think that should be enough. I mean 200, and that should be enough. Null false. Okay, and then default none. and then blank equals false. KTO, what's going on? What is blue and not very heavy? Blueberry? I don't know. What is it? Light blue. God damn it, dude. Secret Manager ID equals models dot car field, and then next length equals, I'm gonna also make this thing 200. What is the length of the ARN? I'm trying to understand how long is this. How we doing, my dude? Expected level. Shit, this is quite long, bro. $80. Yeah, 200 should be perfectly fine. So I think we are like doing all right here. Blank equals false. Null equals false. And default equals none. Trapstein, welcome. How we doing? And then let's add a little commentary here so we can kind of identify what this is, because it kind of sounds like weird when I say like some kind of string. This is the ARN string that identifies the entry on AWS Secret Manager. Makes sense, right? I think. I'm gonna do another one here. I'm gonna say here, I'm gonna do like sample, something like this. So we know like what we are dealing with, right? Right. I'm glad you agree. All right. So this part is good. And we also need to include status on this thing, just in case, you know, that we want to kind of keep track of certain attributes of this thing, like maybe it expired, maybe it failed, maybe, you know, like when the user provided it, at the time the user provided it, it was working. But later down the road, they made changes on their end and it stopped working. So we can tell the user like what's going on, right? Thanks, seems going fine. How is on you? Jesus, I see differently, Django. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to read the sentence one more time. Thanks, seems going fine. How is it on you? Jesus, I see differently, Django. Yeah, so far like it's going well for me. Like I'm working on acquiring permissions from my clients into their S3 buckets. So they provide me their credentials and I store it in Secrets Manager. And I use it at the time that they are doing an upload. So basically like that's what I'm working on. You see it differently, Django? Like how do you mean like Django? Like you see it differently? Like it changed over the years or over the time that you last seen it? Django is using for frontend or just back processes? Oh, this is only for backend. I'm using Django only for backend. My frontend is in NextJS. So like this is so this is like my Docker Compose setup. So my front end is this one here. It is running in Next.js, and my API 100% like backend only. It doesn't deal with any front end code whatsoever, and it's entirely in Django. Fewer developers on Django. I don't see fewer developers on Django. Django is like quite popular. Do you do programming or web dev? REST API? Gotcha. What do you use to develop REST API? You preferred PHP like 20 years. I started with PHP, but I switched over to Python a long time ago, and I haven't touched PHP like since I switched. I did like PHP 4, PHP 5, and then right before PHP 7 came out, I completely quit. You're doing Node and Nginx? All right, that should work. Yeah, I made like my entry with PHP, but I wouldn't go back to it. It's like, yeah. Depends what you need from API or any backend process. It does. The thing with PHP, like PHP is only for web development. Like you don't have any other avenues you can explore with PHP. It's limited to that section of the industry. With REST API, I really choose Python for DevOps. Yeah, I mean the thing with like Python is like really versatile. You can do a lot with Python. That's one of the reasons I switched to it, honestly, because it opens a lot more doors in terms of opportunities. Best cowboy places. So, anyways, Secret Manager ID, and then we have this over here, and then we have created, updated. So I think the only thing remaining here is the status, right? Models dot integer field, and then we're gonna say choices, and we're gonna say secret status choices. If only I could type, right? Dot choices. So let's go create this class here. Secret classes choices, models dot integer choices, and so the first one we're gonna have is pending, right? Yeah, fuck, come on, pending. Pending equals, it's gonna be status pending, and then I'm gonna do pending. Man, if only I could type today. Jesus, import pending, thank you. And then the second one, we're gonna have active, right? That means that we tested this and it is working and it is still in use. So we're gonna go status active, and then we're gonna say active, and then we're gonna import this again. Thank you. And we can do suspended, right? Status suspended, and then I'm just gonna say suspended, and then import this for me as well. Thank you. And then the last one is, I think we should call it failed. Status failed. So I think this does not exist. So I have to go create one. So right now we are here. I'm going to call status failed equals 12. Yeah, not 23, 12. So what you're looking at here is I have created a centralized status indicator constants. So the values that I assign to status indicators, they are consistent. That's what it is. Failed. I need some. I need to be precise here. What I'm like referencing here. Failed. Hmm. No. Can't. Okay. I am gonna move this one over here because I think this needs to be, yeah, what? Outside. Okay. If that's what you say, we'll do it. I guess. Grammar. Requiring us to be consistent with our sentences. Come on. Bro. All right, now import this for me. Thank you. And we are Gucci. Cool. So this is good. And then we're going to say default equals see what does the choices dot active. Yep. Should we also like place a little explanation section here for like note keeping? So in case ever the secret status becomes failed, maybe we can tell them like why it is failing. Okay, this makes sense. I feel like this is coming out pretty good. So now what's going to happen here is when the user fucking work, I'm just going to fucking, okay, I got to change this keyboard. It's like driving me nuts. This is going to cause some issues about what to do. Like, this is genuinely frustrating me right now, and I don't want to fucking deal with this fucker. No. Okay. 1 second. This is a fucking brick, though. This is about like 5 pounds. It's like a dumbbell. Keyboard is made of brass. And it's a pain in my ass. Yeah, the cable is not long enough. God damn it, bro. Everything is like working against me today. I have like an extension cable somewhere. Let me see where I put that fucker. USB-C extension cable. I know I had it. I just don't know where I put it. Where the heck did I put it? Is it this? No. I thought I kept track of things properly here, right? But no. Is it this? No. Work with this? So long as it works, honestly, I don't care. Let's see. Oh shit, it works. Alright, if it works, it works. I'm gonna also put this thing here so it keeps hitting me. It stops hitting me in the eye. Guys, I'm gonna go refill my tea and I'll be back. Give me a moment here. Crack! My arm is cracked. Cracked! Dude, I don't know where my cable is. Yeah, this is kinda stupid what I'm doing. Oh shit, I think I see the cable now after I fucking sit down. Whatever. Alright, yo. So now, this keyboard is really heavy. Oh shit, I need the other armrest. Proper armrest for this. Why? Stain, how we doing? Welcome back. Yeah, I just switched the keyboard and this is still hitting me in the eye. Chill. This should be better. All right. New keyboard. So this is going to be a little challenging for sure, but let's see. So which keys? Okay, this is the thing. Oh, scheiße. Okay. So, okay, this works. Oh my God, this is actually like no effort at all. It just works. I like it. All right. Welcome back to you, dear Musti. Thanks for stream. We are learning many things from you. Oh my God, I hope you guys are, because most of the time, like, I feel like the things I'm talking about doesn't make sense. All right. So, what was I doing? I kind of forgot what I was doing here. I was checking on this and status, and then, okay, yeah, I was going to open up the app. So you go to dashboard, and then from the dashboard, you go to storage, and the storage configuration, service. Oh shit, I have like certain things broken here. What did I break? Oh, which is this key? This is the one. Okay. So, oh, that's the wrong key. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be a little slow. Docker PS. Hey, no. Oh my God. Okay. Docker Compose API. Get client. Oh yeah, I have some issues with the code. So I think the utils are created here. Get client. Where is the fucking error? Something is throwing down like 500. Utilities line 201. Core utils line 201. What is the problem here? There's no problem here. What are you talking about? All right, Docker restart API. Let's just do this. I think it got stuck somewhere. I feel like, I don't know why it's doing that, but let's just restart it. It should fix that. Okay. Oh my God, Docker PS. This is gonna be challenging as well. Okay, 11 seconds, 13 seconds. It's not restarting, so let's check this. Seems like it's working. So if I'm to go here and reload this, all right, please work this time. All right, no more 500 credentials. My credential is fetched. All right, yeah, it just kind of got stuck. It didn't restart properly, so we are okay. Okay, it was able to fetch my service providers, which returns preview data. There's only one, so authentication type URL. That's the one it sends. The cool. So I choose this. It makes its request. It gets the credential. Cool. And then it still is not active, which is good. It does its things. Storage configuration name. Yeah. So this here, I need a secondary name field. I need a secondary name field. I feel like I did not plan that section really well. For two reasons. This is also kind of like confusing, because when the user is providing me their bucket name that they are giving me access to, it needs to be very clear what they are giving me access to, like what this name really represents. And then they should also be able to reference this when they are using the API, should they have more than one configuration. You know what I'm saying? That makes sense, right? I mean, it does to me. So I need to convey that to the client as well. All right. So let's get that implemented. Gunman, thank you for the stay saves. Appreciate it. All right. So this form needs to change. But before we do that, Google Cloud Storage documentation. Let's see, what exactly do they name there? Do they call it buckets? Like what do they name it? What is it that they name it? Overview, training and tutorials, use cases. Storage buckets. So they do call it buckets. Okay, create bucket, create a bucket page into your bucket information. To go to the next step, click continue. Okay. List buckets in a project, get information about a bucket size, remove or rename a bucket, delete a bucket, upload an object to your bucket. Useless, welcome. Glider, welcome. Thanks for the stay safe, useless, appreciate it. Guys, welcome. All right, so this feels like this is gonna fall down to it pretty nice. So if I'm to check Azure, let's see if we can like straight up just call it bucket name and then see like if it's gonna make sense. It says blob storage, but like, do you call it a bucket where the thing is stored, or like what do they call this thing? Yeah. Just show me the fucking, okay, get started. Is that like sign up? No, start free, get 200. No, pay as you go. No, motherfucker, just okay. Azure Cloud Storage documentation. Let's try this. Azure, how to create a bucket. Excuse me. All right. So they call it container. Oh my God. Like my throat hurts so much, like it just made my eyes watering. Azure Blob. What the fuck come up with this name, bro? Blob. You want a blob? Give me the blob. Maybe this will give us some insight. Azure Blob is the Microsoft equivalent to Amazon's S3-based object storage services. Within that, a blob is like a bucket as a framework for retention of objects. Blob, 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 blob. Yeah, that's how it sounds like. Objects in blob. So they call it blob. Okay. It's kind of 4 degree storage things. Yeah, it feels. I gotta go clean my nose. I'll be back. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm back. What's going on here? Glider, fake emo. How we doing, my dude? Valley, welcome. How we doing? What is going on here? I'm not following it. I don't like if I'm getting fucking sick or some shit. Like, what's going on here? Okay. All right. So, apparently, they call this blob, and DigitalOcean calls it like spaces, I think, right? DigitalOcean buckets. Like, what do they call it? They call it space, right? They don't call it the bucket. I think I can just call it container name, and that would be like a universal reference to like what a bucket is instead of like specifically keeping it to that particular thing, right? Like just to a particular service provider. Instead of like calling it S3 bucket, it would be a container name, and then whatever the service provider that they are utilizing, that would be the name that I would be targeting. So I think that makes sense. So I'm just gonna like, hey Kimo, how you doing, my dude? Blobkit. Like Blobkit. So these guys call it spaces. So I think there is no way like I'm gonna be able to identify every single one of them like that. So calling it a container name and then providing a little bit of like insight to what they are offering, I think should make sense. All right, so I'm gonna come down here and then what I'll do here is this one here where I'm defining the name. I'll call it container name. Where's my schema here? Schema. Fuck, this form got like so out of hand, my dad. Oh, there you go. So the name here is going to be, all right, min, and then cannot be container name cannot be empty. Dude, new keyboard, like fucking freaking me out. Okay, we're gonna say container name cannot be longer than 200 characters. I think we can make this go to like next line. Code 91, thanks for the full heart and welcome. Appreciate it. Mm-hmm. I don't see it in this here. What the fuck is going on? Sonia, thank you for the full heart and welcome. Yeah, this is not working, so whatever. Okay. And then the name here, we're gonna call this container name. Container name. And we're gonna come down here to wherever we had name. Okay, this is gonna be container name. And then let's also do container name. I'm gonna call this container or bucket name. Actually, let's make this way. Container or bucket name. We're gonna call this bucket or container name. Cool. Dude, something fucking is going on. I think I might be getting sick, yo. I'm gonna be a sick motherfucker. Tooltip here. Okay, let's put a tooltip here. I'm guessing we should be able to do this. Right here. Okay. Why are you going down to the fucking end of the page, you piece of... I don't... Okay, container name. What are you complaining about? Oh, it's not... Yeah, we need to update this one here. It needs to say container name, so it makes sense to the TypeScript compiler that that particular property exists in that object. I think we should be okay now. Sweet. Okay. And we're gonna say this is the name of your storage destination, such bucket, container, or blob. That the or blob which your files will be placed in. Top you, thank you for the 50. Thanks for joining, guys. Appreciate it. And welcome and good luck in the thing. Thank you very much. All right, so let's go see how this looks. Okay, bucket container name. Okay, it needs a little bit of a space here. I don't know why the fuck it doesn't do this shit. Okay. All right, so it has its space, which is good. Makes sense, right? Like when I hover, this is the name of your bucket container or blob which your files will be placed in. Sweet. Makes sense. Okay. Okay. So the next one here is also an identifier. We need an identifier. I think we can generate the identifier like directly for the user ourselves, so they don't have to really worry about it. Um, hmm. 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 I'm trying to think where when we are fetching this to target which storage that we're going to be uploading the files to, depending on the user's preferences at the time of file being sent in. Um, huh. Huh. If there's only one, we're just gonna like point to that one. But if there's multiple ones, they need to be able to say like either this or that one, right? Like they should be able to choose which one they are targeting. Should they have like multiple storage locations and they want to like point it to this one or that one, depending on whatever conditions that they might have, they should be able to reference it. So we can say, yeah, we can generate a unique reference ID for the user. I think that would be better. Yeah. So for that, my storage configuration needs to have an additional field to store that, right? Right. I am glad you agree. So let's go do this. So this is gonna be container name. And then we are also gonna add, what you gonna call this thing? No Humor, welcome. Chillman, welcome. TDS, welcome. Franco, welcome. Nunez, welcome. Kirikakola, welcome. All right, this is gonna be ref reference name, right? Equals models dot far field. We're gonna do max length is going to be, let's make this like 100 and it should be like good enough. And then default is going to be equals, right? Generate unique. Okay, def. No, Humir, thanks for the full hard. Gen reference name. And we're gonna say provider name equals none. And okay, let's just provide this over here equals none. And then excuse me. Authentication type. Yeah, this needs to come a little to the right. Authentication type equals none. Okay, and then return get random string. I think this is like what it is called for Django, right? Yeah, get random string. And this is going to be an F string. So, okay. Just give us like 5. Okay. And then this is going to be generate unique string and character long. Random string about generation uppercase. How to generate a random string in Python? This I'm not really trying to do that. I'm trying to make sure like it is unique in a sense. That's not really the best approach. This is kind of problematic. The problem with this default function name, the default value generation with this function, at the time of initiating this, we are not going to have access to these. So it's going to be a little complicated to really generate this thing. And then, yeah, so this reference name has to be unique per user. So let's just do that. Okay. Class meta, I'm gonna do unique together, right? Equals, we're gonna do user and reference name. Reference name. Those two, like, they have to be unique together at the time of creation. I wonder if Django has something built in for this. Django model generate unique string. There's got to be something there. I want to see how long is this, right? So if I do Docker exec, so let's go over in here. I'm gonna say import UID, and I just pass this. This is actually not bad. I feel like I can trust this one enough to like say, yeah, this will work. Because the uniqueness only is together per user, not for the entire table. Considering that the user will only have like, let's say maybe 2 or 3, you know. Hmm. Hmm. This is not bad. But I think I'm going to provide that value myself. So that is going to like, it'll be a better approach. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of that. And we're going to say null equals false. And then blank equals false. False, false, not false, false, false. Provider. Okay, this will also be like default equals none. Cool. So I'm gonna like completely rebuild this table and then the entire migration for this as well. Given the situation that there are like significant changes here. And then the secret here is gonna have a reference to the other model going forward. So the first thing that I'll do here is, right, we're gonna do exit, and then I'm gonna do docker manage.py. I'm gonna do show migrations. Of course, I keep making typos, and then I'm gonna do, right, migrate storage. So the storage, I'm just gonna do 0. Cool, it's gone, it's done, no longer a problem. So going back, I will simply comment this out, and then we have the secret here, and then this secret, we're gonna add it to the models here. So s should come, prst should right here from dot secret import secret. Makes sense. And then prst should be right secret. Cool. You know, like making sure like it's alphabetically ordered. So what we needed was user name, secret manager ID, and status. And the next one here, I was kind of thinking about adding like a little node, right? So like in case if it ever like falls to this status here, I should be able to say like why. Actually, no, this is redundant because if I'm informing the user that this failed, it will be at the time that it failed for any reason whatsoever that they will not be able to store their storage. They're not going to be able to utilize this as a storage. So yeah, this will be fine. Okay. So this is, I think, pretty much good to go. User name, secret manager ID, status, yada, yada, yada. Cool. And then we can get this thing directly referenced within the storage configuration. We're just going to say secret instead of secret ID. And this is going to be null is true. Yes. But this is going to be a foreign key. And we are gonna import this, and then we're gonna say from user dot models import secret. This should work, right? Right. So if I'm gonna do this, Docker, let's just do make migrations. It might fail because I imported it before generating it, but let's see. Fuck it. To and delete. Yeah, I'm sorry. So secret, and then we don't need this no longer. Default equals none, null equals true, and we will be saying here on delete, right? We're gonna say models, models dot cascade. I think this should be good now. Cannot import name storage configuration from storage.models. Oh, because yeah, there's a dependency to it, so it's gonna like bitch. It's okay. It's okay. We got this. It's okay. It's okay. Cancel this. So what I'll do is I'm gonna delete that migration file. I wanted to create from scratch. I might not be able to delete it from here because it's owned by the Docker. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to like delete it from within inside. Okay, Docker exec. We're gonna say rm. Shit, this is gonna be in storage migrations, and the file name is 0001 initial.py. Initial.py. Is it gone? Oh shit, it's gone. Sweet. So if I run make migrations again, it created both of them, which is cool. I like it. All right, let's go check these files here. This one, the migration is created. Users, there was secrets, swappable dependency. Cool. Yabba yabba. And then yabba yabba. Unit together user reference name. Yabba yabba. Cool. And then if I'm looking at the user migrations, there should be a new entry for the secret. Thank you. Which is right here, and which is cool. Pending, active, suspended, failed. Default is 1. I like it. User is here, is deleted, updated. Okay, cool. Everything seems in order here, yo. So, do I have music? What? What is this? Jesus Christ! Look at this one. It says, I want to see some ads. Let's see how this like playlist is. I'm gonna like try it, give it a go. All right. Given that this is now good to go, so I need to update a few things. So the container name right now is not really going to work properly within the client for the storage anymore because we changed the parameter name. So we need to update that. So let's go to storage client. It's going to take place right here. But before it takes place right there, it's getting, name. Yeah, let's call this thing the container name. Right, and it should match the incoming data thing right here. And then we're going to do this and then container name. So when I go to client, instead of expecting a name, we're going to provide a container name. And it should pass the same thing, and name is going to be a container name. So wherever it might be that we are referencing a name, we should be ensuring that it is there. Cool. I think this makes sense. So now when I'm testing this again, it should actually not give me 500. It should give me, I think, 404 or 400. Sorry, 404 or 403. So I'm just gonna say like YOLO, for example. And if I'm providing like any key and secret combination, it should just give me 403 because I know this particular item exists, but the key and secret to it is not the ones I type. Something went wrong, which means I broke something. So let's go check this out. Okay, storage test connection. Yeah, but what is the fucking error? What is the error, my dudes? Can close this, and then this can stay on. The torch mouse init, initial close, quick close, storage client init. That's fine. Views. So test. Oh, this one right here. Okay. This is gonna be container name. And this is gonna be container name. Actually, let's just make this like unison. Okay, no. Cool. So did it restart? It did. Let's clear this. If I'm to come down here and hit this. All right, it gave me 403, so it did work. I like it. Dude. 403, yeah, nice. Yeah, it's coming together. I like that it's coming together. Okay. So the next step right now is going to be when we come back down here, and this is our entry point, the weaves, right? Like first we do test connection. After the test connection goes successful, we tell them like go ahead and create it. After that happens, they're gonna hit this endpoint to create the entry. But before that happens, we need to make sure that our migrations are actually ran. So let's go do migrate, right? So it will create those entries for us. So the first one here is finish our secret utility, secret manager utility that we have started yesterday but did not finish. So this one here is gonna be what? Shit, where did I put this thing? I think I put in the user utils. Yeah, secret manager. Okay. I'm gonna finish this. Once this is finished and this successfully completes what it needs to do, then we can go and utilize it as part of the storage object, and then they should kind of make it complete. And then anything afterwards that we're going to be doing is just writing unit tests. Because without the unit test, I just don't feel comfortable that it's going to be solid and dependable. Yeah. Secrets manager, we're going to have quarks. And then here we're going to say, what can you pass here? Secret manager. I feel like I forgot something in this particular item here for the secret. Doesn't really matter. It will be ambiguous. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. So this is gonna be secret manager what the fuck do I call this thing? I honestly don't know what to call this thing. So when we are looking at this thing here, the ARN it returns, what exactly? So we need a name at all times. Not at all times. Name equals none. Right, we're gonna do ARN equals none. And shit. I fucking hate when it comes out like becomes like ambiguous like this, and I have to come up with ways to like really ensure that it's not being weird, because it needs to be really readable here. What are we doing here? 1 second. Oh damn, okay. Guys, I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna go check on my cat, and then I'll be back. I think I need to like kind of relax my head a little bit. Fuck. Oh, damn. Oh my god. That's my... You guys are ruthless, man. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. Bro, I'm not feeling it today, but I feel like I gotta finish this shit. This work. I feel like I'm falling behind. Ah! What you doing, Doki? Bekar, welcome. By the way, I made it to silver, yo. Do you see my green Trova partner badge on the next to my name? I'm craving for some fucking burger right now. Like, I really want some burger. Nothing, just feeding my damn mouth all the fucking time now. I know what you are feeding to your mouth. God damn it. Bruh. I'm not feeling it today, like for real. I'm not feeling it today. I feel... We have 42 people? Like, what? It's 6 o'clock, so maybe I should just get some fucking burger. And then get into the game. And just, like, chill out. Fuck that shit, just play. I'm thinking about it, honestly. I was hoping, like, at least I would get to finish this client here that I'm supposed to be developing. And then, that would have been it. Scare, thanks for the stay saves. Thanks for joining. Blacknor, welcome. Malfoy, welcome. You guys, join the treasure boxes. Get that free elixir, yo. You know what I'm saying? Are you gonna be on today, Doku? Doki Diki Duku? Hold on, today the thing is ending, right? Like, the Valorant thing is ending today, I think. Valorant competitive... ending. When is the ending? You'll be on? Cool. When does it end? March 7th. So we can't play it right now then. Like, we can't do comp right now. So, is anybody like playing Valorant right now on Twitch? Let's check it out. People are playing Valorant, but I'm guessing like it's just Um, oh, the new agent is already fucking out. They're doing custom games. Are they all doing custom games? Okay. Hopefully one of these motherfuckers are gonna be playing it. He's watching people play the new agent instead of playing the new agent. I don't know what the heck he's doing. Okay, Grim is playing Valorant. They are in okay. They're all doing custom games. What the fuck? Just nobody's playing the game itself. This guy is immortal. Whatever. Yeah, it looks like people are just doing customs and trying out the new agent and whatnot. So, shit. And I feel cold and lonely, depressed. Oh my god, bro! What the hell is going on with me today? News. Yo, Seller, welcome. Greater than one Gecko agent trailer Valorant. The new agent is Gecko, similar to Sky. I don't get this shit, dude. Sergey, welcome. Thank you for the follow. Good broadcast and mood. I wish donut health and well-being is a waterfall of asset and positive. Thanks, Sergey. Welcome, dude. I think I fucking hate these agents utilities, how they look. Looks like a fucking like cartoon. It's like a South Park character, bro. Yeah, look at this shit. Looks like a fucking mobile phone game shit. Meh. Not much gonna play Sky because of this agent, this damn agent. I think they like, I don't know whatever the utilities are like doing, but just the way that they look, if they are actual utilities, it just makes the game look so fucking weird now, so stupid. I'm telling you, man. Yeah. I think that's like how the thing, bro, check my account on YouTube. Guys, don't self promote here. Don't do that. Sergey. Don't self promote, please. I gotta add that to the goddamn rules. Mm. Don't self-promote. Don't do that. Damn, Reina with that ass, bro. Look at this fucking weird. Man, I fucking hate this shit. This is meh. Why? Is this sound coming from the song? What the fuck? Dude, there's like a ringing sound in the headset. What the heck is that? Hold on, guys. I think the sound is coming from... It's generating like weird fucking noise. What the heck is it coming from? All right, then. I'm gonna test this out. The sound capturing thing, so hopefully it's not broken, and then I'm gonna continue from there. Also, let me update the rules here. How do I update the rules? Room settings, runaways, notifications. Okay. And then pop out chat, subscriber on the chat, follower on the chat, run a spell effect. No. How do I change the rule for the thing? Nina's welcome. How do you change the thing? Chat rules, chat options. I think it's here. Block turns, followers on the chat. Sounds chat rules. Chat rules. I thought I had some fucking chat rules written. Dude, I have a chat rule, don't I? Chippy, welcome. How are we doing? Alandra, welcome. I gotta say that this thing is so fucking stupid. Absolutely fucking bonkers, yeah. Jesus. Welcome to JustinMusti stream. Everyone is very welcome, but please abide to the rules. No self-promotion, registers, or anything that possibly get the streamers banned. Please respect everyone, especially the streamer and their mouse. Also, feel free to interact with everyone, but be nice. Thank you. Now have fun, mother bitch. Fucking love it. Can I take it? Can I take it? I'm not sure if it's gonna let me write that down, but because it's more than 7 lines, it says it's only have to be like 7 lines. Saved successfully. Go for it. I don't know if you can see it though. So when you type, yeah, because I am the fucking owner. I can't fucking test it. Can you see it? Shit. TDS, thanks for the stay safe. Let's go. Dude, I really want to get some motherfucking Franco, thanks for the stay saves. I want to get some burger. I want to get a goddamn whooper right now. Some Burger King. I want Burger King. Burger King! Oh, I can't even do like Popeyes. You see it? Nice, bro. Wow, thank you for the thing, Docker Club. Appreciate it. By the way, did you realize I made it to silver? Do you see the green partnership badge? Bro, I got out of bronze finally. On the channel, I mean, not the Trovo. I mean, not Valorant. Now it says Trovo partner, but doesn't say bronze. We heckin' made it, yo. Oh shit, Fatal made it to bronze. Hell yeah, bro. He's back. Next month he'll just jump into like fucking Nunez, thanks for the 50. Let's go, baby. He's gonna jump into like straight up to plat or something. Yeah, I wanna get the fucking burger. Fuck yeah, he's back, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You see it? Nice. I can't believe I made it to silver, honestly. Like, it was so much fucking struggle to like really like grinding for it. I was doing 10-hour streams every day. The entire February, I streamed 10 hours, 26 days out of 28 days. I streamed 26 days out of 28 days. Each stream being 10 hours and longer. That was kind of cracked. Alexito, welcome. Nunez, thanks for the stay saves. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Ogre Maggie, welcome. Yeah, I want to get a burger, yo. But let me test this sound first. Make sure the sound is good. I don't know if this like sound capture thing is really working well or not. I can't really tell. So what I'll do is I'm gonna go test if this sound is removing that particular thing. So I'm gonna go play some audio from here. What can we play? What can we play? So let me end the stream on YouTube and Twitch, and I'm gonna leave it on Trovo.